good morning, you lovely people. I'm still into using these. I've made up the art alchemy paints, and I've made them with floetrol. I've made them up with floetrol and 2 drops of the Jo Sonia's varnish to see if I can get them to dry nice and shiny. I've used a couple of my Folkart colour shift, and this one's a metallic, just all really sheeny shiny. I have made some of the purple is the Mont marte with a good dash of the dragonfly glaze. I've done a few videos now using these particular colours, so I'm just working through doing different techniques with them and finding out what works the best. So without further ado, I will just get into this particular, it's an art lab day, so I've scraped a canvas and I'm reusing it. I've just poured some white over it, and I intend to do some swiping on this canvas, and then, well, I'll just go along with it. So this is the purple that I mixed with the floetrol and the what you call it, the blah blah colour shift. So it's got the lovely sparkles in it. Look, it's supposed to, you can see it's sparkling. So just added a bit of that to my normal Mont marte paint, and it's made it all sparkly. So I just want to experiment with these paints. So I've done like a double Dutch pour, a puddle pour. What else did I do? I've done a few pours out of this batch that I've made up, which you will be seeing videos of if you haven't already. So it's just testing different techniques with it, because it only needs a small amount of paint. They've got some beautiful colours. So my supplier is in the drop down box, and I think if you're in the US you can definitely get the Folkart and the art alchemy paints. So this is a bit of the floetrol, Folkart gold mixed with floetrol. So I'm just going to put a wee bit in here. She says a wee bit, just a bit. Come on. Colours are just jumping off there. They're just gorgeous. So what does she want to do now? This was the white mixed with floetrol, and again a couple of drops of the varnish, just to see if I can get them to dry shiny. I'm just going to run that across the top. Probably they're all very thin because I mixed the whole batch up thinking I was going to do all kind of Dutch pours blowing. I'm using my Gilly's Swifty swipe, which if I haven't put it on the beginning of this video, I have a little video of just how I make my swipe tools up. So it is there somewhere. So I'm just going to, holy dooly. Oh my goodness, look at that. I've took the paint off too much there, but never mind. It's my art lab day, I just know now. Oh my goodness, the lacing is crazy good. Crazy good. I've got way too much paint, but you know, they're all learning curves, so don't worry about anything. Remember, it's your art room, your rules, your way. And this is my day of just testing out products. I've took the paint off the top, so that's not real good, but what I may try, should I or shouldn't I? Got crazy lacing, and it's just glistening with the shimmer that's in those paints. I need to I need to put something at the top so it gets rid of that baldy patch where I've literally swiped it off. But I'll work with that in a second or two. Just wanted to try something. I've got this little cap. It may not actually work at all. I've just got some of the silicone I'm going to put onto the cap. And I just was going to try something. It might not work. It's one of those scalp combs. So I'm not sure if it will work in this, and it probably won't add anything to the beauty of it because it's already really shimmery. I just wanted to see if I could create the chameleon look in this. There you go. Okay, so that's from my little scalp brush and it's just spreading, so I'm gonna do it. Obviously I'm not doing it in any rhyme or reason way. It's just a test. I think this would probably work out far better if I had thicker paints, but these are very thin due to doing Dutch pours previously. But you know what? It's going crazy and it's so good to experiment. I love it. I just wish you were all with me to have a laugh and a cuppa and some craziness, because we all need that. Wow, that is weird. Okay, I'm going to go some more weird, because you know how I love weird. Okay dokie, let's get another piece of this. I'm going to swipe it down the opposite way because I've got to get rid of that sort of odd top. It's sort of moving, it's going all over the place, but you know it's creating some crazy cool looks. So now I'm excited to try this again now with thicker paints, because the shapes would hold, but even though they're moving, it's just created some crazy weirdness that I absolutely love. Strange. Okay, that was just a crazy art experiment and I absolutely love it. Oh, and there you go. There's my resident gecko putting his 2 pennyworth in. So look at this. It's created some like real crocodile skin look. So wait on for the end for the photos. It's just given me, by doing this now, it's just given me another crazy idea to take it a bit further, and that's what your own art room is all about. Whether you're doing your art on your kitchen bench or in your laundry, or you've got a full studio, is just explore different things, and that's now what I'm going to do after this. So until tomorrow, bye for now, because I put videos up every day for you. Thanks for joining me and bye for now. Wait on for the photos.